Hello there, I'm Michael Gibbs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to balance a chemical equation from a word problem. This is a couple of steps, so bear with me. So our word problem is potassium phosphate plus aluminum nitrate yields, fancy word for equals, potassium nitrate plus aluminum phosphate. Okay, now the first step is to figure out what these are and what their charges are. So potassium, if we check our Know Your Ions PDF, we'll know that potassium is K and the charge is +1. And if we check, we'll also see that phosphate is PO4 minus 3. So there you have your two charges. Now you know that these two are combined, so this one, its charge has to balance out this charge. So what we have to do is make a subscript 3 right here and combine them like so. Now that's balanced. And then time for aluminum nitrate. If we check, we'll see that aluminum is Al plus 3 and nitrate is NO 3 minus 1. And same, we'll have to balance this out. This +3 has to balance out with this -3. So what we're going to do is going to put Al, I'm going to put parentheses NO 3, and then subscript 3 on the outside, which balances it out. Then we add those together. And that's that right there. Now, moving down to the bottom, potassium nitrate, we already figured out was K +1. Nitrate, which was NO3 minus 1. Plus aluminum phosphate, which is Al plus 3. And PO4 minus 3. And lucky for us, these are already balanced, so all you have to do is mush them together, plus, and these are also balanced, Al PO4, and that's balanced. So now each side is balanced with itself, but we need each side to balance with each other. And I'll show you that in the next section. So remember these, K3PO4 and ALNO3, as well as KNO3 and ALPO4. Hi again. And in this section, we're going to be balancing out the two sides of the equation with each other. Now, what we did from last section to this section is we just brought the values from the word problem and put them into an equation, thus eliminating the word problem and leaving us with the bare equation, which is what we need. Now what we need to do is balance each side out with each other. Now to do that, I put a little table of values for the number of atoms that each one of these has. So if we check, we'll see that potassium has 3, PO4, phosphate has 1, aluminum also has 1, and nitrate has 3. Now if you go over here, see that potassium has 1, nitrate has 1, aluminum has 1, and PO4 phosphate has 1. Now we'll see that PO4 phosphate and aluminum are the same on both sides. But however, we run into a problem when potassium and nitrate are different for the sides. So now we have to balance that. Now how will we do that? Oh, disregard that thing. Still a 1. How will we do that? Well, if we check up here, we'll see that the two that are unbalanced are in one section right here. So this is very easy to fix. All we have to do is add in a coefficient of 3 right there in this section right here. And that completely balances it. If you see it, it makes this potassium a 3, and it makes this nitrate a 3 as well. Now we'll see that all the sides line up, which balances out our equation. So now, if we write it down here, it would be K3PO4 plus aluminum nitrate there equals, and here we add the 3 K and O3 plus ALPO4. And right there, that's the balance equation. Completely balanced. You'll see right there, it's completely balanced. Now, the last thing we need to do is classify this. Now, classifying is pretty simple, but I'm just going to put these into categories. So, we'll make the K and A, make phosphate a B, make aluminum a C, and we'll make nitrate a D. Now these are together, AB and CD. AB is together with A is together with B, and C is together with D. Now for this one, see that the K, which was an A over here, so that's an A, but it's not with phosphate, which was a B anymore. It's with nitrate, which is the D. So that is AD, and we'll see that aluminum, which was the C, over here, is with phosphate, which was the B. So CB. So A has switched B with D, so now it's AD, and C has switched D with B, so it's CB. See, so two displacements. We call that type of equation double displacement. A double displacement. So this equation is a double displacement. Sorry for my handwriting there, but that's what it is, a double displacement. So right there, our balanced equation. Right there, K3PO4 plus AlNO3 3KNO3 plus AlPO4. And it is a double displacement. And that is how to balance an equation from a word problem. Thank you for watching.